Hello, savvy shoppers and golf enthusiasts. Welcome to the ultimate guide to buying a golf cart in 2024. Today, we're rolling through the minefield of common mistakes buyers make and how you can steer clear of them. Get ready for a ride filled with tips, tech insights, and a bit of humor, because we're going full throttle into the world of golf carts. Buckle up, let's start the adventure. But before we proceed, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. First stop, the powerhouse of your golf cart, the battery. This year, it's all about lithium-ion batteries. They're lighter, charge faster, and last much longer than the traditional lead-acid batteries. Imagine playing 36 holes and your cart still raring to go without a lengthy recharge. However, if you mistakenly pick an outdated battery type, you might as well bring a book because you'll be spending more time charging than playing. Next up, the big decision: electric or gas. If you're all about sustainability and low running costs, electric is your go-to. Think whisper quiet rides and lower fuel costs. However, if you're tackling rugged terrains or long distances, gas might just be your trusty steed, offering more torque and endurance. Each has its perks, but choose wrong, and you might find yourself stranded or overspending on fuel.
Oh shit!
Let's talk models. This year, the Club Car Tempo and the E-Z-GO RXV are stealing the spotlight with their tech-loaded offerings. The Club Car Tempo is like the Swiss Army knife of carts, packed with features for every need. On the other hand, the E-Z-GO RXV offers unmatched efficiency with its patented battery system. But beware, fall for flashy features you don't need, and your wallet might just take an unexpected hit. While we're on features, let's dial into customization. Yes, having a golf cart with heated seats, a frosty fridge, and a state-of-the-art sound system sounds amazing. But ask yourself, do I really need all that? Customize wisely, because every extra adds up. It's easy to get lured into over-the-top customizations that sound cool but hardly see use, effectively turning your cart into a pricey gadget garage on wheels. Golf carts aren't just about getting from point A to point B, they're about the journey and who's along for the ride. Whether you're a solo golfer, a couple, a small family, or part of a lively community, there's a golf cart configuration to match your needs. Let's break down the options. The two-seater. Ideal for solo adventurers or duos, this compact cart offers a cozy bench seat, making it perfect for intimate outings or quick trips around the course. The four-seater. Perfect for families or small groups, this model comes with two bench seats, offering a balanced blend of space and intimacy. It's great for those casual family outings or double dates on the green. The six-seater. Built for larger groups or bustling golf cart communities, this cart features three bench seats. It's perfect for social gatherings, community events, or transporting the whole gang in style. When selecting your seating option, think about how you'll use your golf cart. Need to ferry a larger group or carry extra gear? Opt for a four-seater or six-seater. Prefer a quieter, more personal ride? The two-seater is your go-to. Ultimately, the perfect golf cart is the one that suits your specific needs and enhances your overall experience. Moving on to warranties, don't gloss over them. A solid warranty can save you from tears and empty pockets. Some manufacturers offer up to 10 years on batteries, especially lithium ions, and up to 4 years on parts. Skipping this step could leave you with a lemon and no recourse. Always check the warranty length and what it covers. It's your financial safety net. Finally, let's talk money. Sure, that base model price looks tempting, But have you considered the add-ons, maintenance costs, and energy consumption? It's like buying a budget airline ticket only to pay double for your bags and seat. Always calculate the total cost of ownership, not just the sticker price. Get the real deal, not just a steal. And there you have it, your comprehensive roadmap to avoiding common pitfalls when buying a golf cart in 2024. Remember, the key to a great purchase is knowing what you need, understanding the options, and reading the fine print. Thanks for riding along with us today. Smash that like button, subscribe for more savvy guides, and comment below with your golf cart questions or experiences. See you on the green.